My favorite meal, gope. Fills you up for a long time.
Hello guys, you're welcome to Jujao TV. So in today's episode, we're preparing an oatmeal banana pancake with Megan. Hello.
We are seeing here also about the stay in Ghana, like how Ghana has treated it.
So subscribe to their channel and you won't regret it. Okay, so for banana pancakes, you just need a couple of simple ingredients, and the ingredients are bananas, oatmeal, and brown sugar, and eggs, and some cinnamon. So you don't need the brown sugar, but the eggs and oats and bananas are the necessary part. And then also, if you want to, you can put peanut butter on them. You could put chocolate. You could put different kind of fruit. You could cut up apples or bananas and put them on top.
Okay.
And syrup, if you want to, maple syrup.
Sure. So that's that.
So step number one, for one person, you would do, it kind of can be whatever you want it to be, but for general rule, it's 2 bananas, 2 eggs, and then about 1/4 of a cup of the oats, but I can show you what that looks like.
Okay. So let me start.
Yes.
Let me start.
2 bananas.
Guys, if you're watching it, I'm learning it so that you do it for your friends at home. And then there's one here.
Okay, very simple.
And what again?
Then you put the eggs in there, so you can crack the eggs.
Okay.
Put them right in the blender.
Can you do it?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is our track man.
Very loud.
Be my own crab.
There you go.
And then what again?
Then you have the eggs, and then oats.
Okay.
You can just
Spoon. Oh,
okay, so you put the oats in.
Oh, wow.
That's a good enough. And then
Is this okay?
maybe even a little bit less.
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 Oh no. Okay, and then you can put in some cinnamon too.
Okay. Take it before I spoil it.
Cinnamon you can put a lot. I don't think you can never have too much cinnamon.
Okay.
It's good. Okay, so then you have your mixture that you will then put on the cap and then you blend.
Okay. No, I don't want cooking.
Okay, and then once you have your batter, then you pour it onto the pan into whatever size you want, but it should be about that thick, the batter. Kind of that consistency.
And so, I want to ask Megan, why did you choose Ghana? Why did you choose Ghana?
Come instead, we have Canada, we have what country?
Nigeria, you had so many African countries.
Oh,
Why
yeah.
Ghana?
I chose Ghana because one of the reasons people here speak English, which that was a bonus for sure.
Okay.
And the university here is a great program, and so I was really looking forward to going to the university. Lego, yes. And also, I have a friend that is from Ghana, about 10 minutes away from here, and so I had heard. Oh no, that's okay. This needs to cook a little bit longer. But I had heard about Ghana and from him, and everything that I heard made me want to check it out and experience living in a different culture and meeting new people. Yeah.
So how has Ghana been? Like, you've been here since January, right? So January, February, March. Like, how has it been?
It's been great.
Wow.
Yeah.
You new friends?
Yes. Yes, you guys. And other people too.
Which places have you visited since you were born?
Since being to Ghana, I visited different places. But a couple of them, I visited Shy Hills.
Wow.
It was really fun. Went camping there. Visited Cape Coast. And
Castle.
yeah. Yep. So we visited Cape Coast. And then also
Let's Cape Coast. Is it okay?
and also Volta region.
Why was I
Willy
reading?
Waterfalls.
Oh!
Let's go. Willy Waterfalls. That was really fun.
Okay.
And then went to Tema. Went to a friend's grandma's house.
Tema.
Tema. And then also just like around across.
Okay. What are your favorite dish? Like favorite meal since
My favorite meal, gope. Yeah.
Why?
Oh, it's so good.
nice!
The plantains are really good.
Well, that's why the boys like it.
Yeah.
Oh, I now see I've tried.
Okay.
And what else? Only got it.
No, I like it a lot.
Have you tried Banku? Like for the dance, I have to ask you Banku. Have you tried Banku?
I have.
You do like it?
I did. Yeah. I think I like fufu better.
Okay.
More than Banku. Oh.
You like manku better?
Yes.
Yes. What are your favorite foods?
I like you. You like yam.
Okay.
Ramen.
And kinky.
Okay.
Everything I eat.
Yes, I like pancake.
You like kinky? Oh wow.
You can homework too. Yeah, no, so if you put any toppings on it, you can just put them on top right when they're cooking. Yeah, we'll wait until I put tomatoes on.
Should I put chocolate on it?
The pressure's on. The video.
Oh, no.
Well, we cooled some bananas and mangoes and pineapple. And then you can just put them right in the blender.
Okay.
So a banana is going inside.
Banana,
Go in, boom. Option C.
What's our other?
mango, alright, and then pineapple.
Oh.
And then you can also add like the orange or lime, which makes it a little bit more citrusy.
Okay.
You have a knife here. No, I can use the.
Guys, please make sure you are subscribing to Untitled TV. Like, comment, and share. It's so important for us. For you. For them. Yeah.
It could be done. Oh, we can put almond milk, and you don't need almond milk. You could put milk.
Okay.
If you don't have it, it's totally fine. But we got some, so you put a little bit of liquid, so maybe some milk, and then some water. But we're gonna see how it blends first. Yeah.
So we have to blend it now.
Yeah. And there's a lot of pineapple juice in there too, so.
Ah.
I think it's good.
It's good.
Yeah. Or maybe we should keep blending.
Yes.
A little.
So what do you like about Ghana?
Oh, I like a lot of things about Ghana, but I really like the people in Ghana. I like how it's really pretty here. I like just people are very friendly.
Okay.
And I like getting to, I kind of said this earlier, but being in a different culture.
So you're done with the smoothie.
Yeah.
It's smooth. The smoothie is smooth. Yeah. White material. White material.
Oh, you do?
Guys, please subscribe to Danqauh TV. Make sure you like me, your commenting, like it's so important. And so guys, we are about to taste the oatmeal banana pancake and then our smoothie.
A smoothie.
So delicious.
So I like it. So
Let me take yours.
I like material.
Oh, so delicious, guys! Please try this thing at home, like anywhere. So delicious. The recipe is so simple. You have to try this one.
And you can really use whatever fruits you want.
Okay. It's so delicious. And then you have to try a banana pancake too.
I mean, love.
Let's try it.
You cut it.
You can even eat this for the evening. Yeah, okay. You don't have to eat it all.
Make a smoothie.
I don't want to say it.
Sometimes you'd want some other food with it.
You did. Take this one.
Yeah?
Where do you come from again? Where do you come from?
Minnesota.
I'll go there.
Minnesota, land of 10,000 lakes.
Yeah. Take one. Try.
Guys, so delicious. And we had chocolate too on it. It made it so nice. I tried this thing at home.